Hello everyone! Ito na naman si JP ng Programmers Code Posting and welcome dito sa isa na namang video sa Dev Stuff with JP Ada. Today, medyo will be taking a break sa mga medyo serious stuff and pag-usapan natin ngayon is something more fun, which is generating images using AI. Okay, so again, we'll talk about the fun stuff. We won't really dive into how these things are being made, pero let's actually show you how these things actually work, right? So, to generate images with AI, the usual approach is nag-create tayo ng mga text, right? Na nagko-convey kung ano yung gusto nating makita dun sa image, right? Yung purpose natin, ano yung intent natin, and yung tawag natin sa mga, yung general term natin sa mga text na to is prompts. So yun, so yung mga prompt, essentially sinasabi natin kay AI, ito yung gusto kong makita. Tapos yun, si AI na bahala mag-create nung image. Okay? So, it can be perfect or hindi, right? Pero, yeah. So, maraming tools para gawin to, right? Pero, yung mga popular is sila DALL-E and si Midjourney. And, the more recent na si Stable Diffusion. Okay, so yung mga tao nagkagulo, especially for Stable Diffusion, especially like me, because ayaw ko magbayad kasi si DALL-E and Midjourney is hindi talaga nila ni-release yung model itself. So, yung mga tao hindi nila pwedeng kunin yun and i-run on their own. So, kailangan mo gamitin yung pinrovide na service nila OpenAI and kung sino mo gumawa ng Midjourney, right? Si Stable Diffusion, it's on GitHub. You can just pull it or pwede mong i-pull yung library ni ginawa ni Hugging Face para may account ka, right? Or gumamit ka ng notebook para i-run yung model. Okay, so Stable Diffusion is completely free. You can just run it yourself, right? So, you can run it yourself or pwedeng gumamit ng CPU again or gumamit ka ng notebook. Okay, so hindi ka bound sa GPU. May gumawa din actually ng pang CPU. Although, obviously, magiging mabagal siya kasi like yung CPU lang yung gamit niya. So, sa notebooks naman, for example, gumamit ka ng Colab, pwede ka gumamit ng GPU, pero obviously, may mga limitations dito, much like everything, especially since free siya, right? So, for example, may limited RAM ka lang, may limited VRAM ka lang na pwede gamitin, so hindi ka pwede mag-exceed doon. So, pag malaki yung image mo, you're out of luck, out of memory yung notebook mo. So, one trick that I use is, actually, yung ginagawa ko, gumagawa ko ng maliit na image, tapos, ini-increase ko yung resolution. May mga existing AI tools din dyan, parang upscaler, AI image upscalers or AI super resolution na parang applications that you can, parang from maliit na resolution, papalakihin yung resolution. So, and yung mga to, hindi din sila limited sa just text to image. May mga other ways to create the images din. So, for example, merong image to image, like magdodraw ka lang, tapos gagawin niyang image, right, na like better dun sa drawing mo, especially if you're like me na medyo crappy ka mag-drawing, right? And then meron din prompt to video. So I've seen one done na may prompt lang tapos nag-generate siya ng video. Although I haven't actually used it. I'm not sure if that one is free, pero I would assume na since medyo advanced siya, there would be a payment for it. Somebody actually made an effort to create from prompt to video, even still using Stable Diffusion. Anyway, so that's enough talk. I will now show you paano gawin yung image generation from text. But before we go to the demo, if you have not liked and subscribed yet, please do so. It greatly helps this channel out. So yun, let's go to the demo. See you there. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa notebooks. Itong notebook na to is gawa to ni Hugging Face. Essentially, pinupo lang nito yung model ni Stable Diffusion, right? Using yung nila, may ginawa silang library. So, itong existing tong notebook na to, minodify ko lang siya. So, pag i-refresh ko to, actually, mabawa pala yung ginawa kong changes. Pero, I can actually just create a copy if gusto ko, right? This is in Google Colab right now. Anyway, so what we can do here is just go through all these, pero na-run ko na sila so hindi na need. Pero essentially enable natin si Nvidia, right, yung runtime. Tapos install natin yung mga kailangan. So define na to, lahat ng mga to define na to, so hindi natin need problemahin yan. Tapos, scroll down tayo. So, ito, run lang natin yan. Yung importante dito is this, okay? Well, one of the important things, right? So, kailangan natin mag-log in sa Hugging Face. It's a site. So, may instructions naman dito pag mag-fail ka, right? So, sasabihin nilang kunin mo yung yung token mo. So, you need a token para magamit, ma-reference yung Hugging Face na model na naka-upload kay Hugging Face. It's just a place for like collaboratively working with models, right? Ayun. So, kailangan mo ng account kay Hugging Face, kailangan mo ng token, madali naman create yun. Tapos, kailangan mo kang mag-agree na gagamitin mo for the right reasons yung model mo dun kay Hugging Face, right? So, again, there are maraming possible ways to use this maliciously, pero, I'll leave it to your imagination. So, eto, run lang natin to para makreate natin yung pipeline natin. Tapos, ipapipe natin sa GPU. Right? So, this is just automatic na to. Right? So, pull natin yung autocast. Tapos, or for faster na na processing. And then here, I removed a bunch of stuff kasi ito yung palagi kong ginagamit lang. So, we create an image grid para I can specify a prompt. Okay? Tapos, mag-generate na siya ng images. Right? So, in this case, meron akong 12 images. So, 3 columns, 4 rows. So, meron akong essentially 12 images na kinumbine into a single image. So, yung prompt ko is A Song of Ice and Fire, book cover, 3D render. So, may normal tayong prompt. Ito, so, gusto ko ng book cover ng A Song of Ice and Fire. Tapos, may parang modifier ako. So, maraming ganitong techniques na ginagamit yung mga gumagawa ng prompt. So, we call it sometimes prompt engineering, right? Nag-create tayo ng prompts na magre-result sa magandang images, right? So, if you look at this, actually, this is pretty good na. Right? It's actually pretty good. May weird stuff, pero like, the general design, right? It's pretty good. Tapos, so, seeing these images, hindi sila perfect. So, maiisip mo talaga na, hindi talaga ma-replace, well, at least now, right? Hindi ma-replace ni AI yung mga artists talaga. So, these serve as inspirations and at least may starting point ka to create your own art, right? So, this helps out with isa sa mga pinakamahirap na bagay talaga is maghanap ng inspiration with a trick when it comes to art, right? Yung mga music, making videos or making images or whatnot, right? Anything creative, kahit na like software engineering is a bit creative, so mahirap mag-isip ng creative ways of doing things. So, it helps if may inspiration ka, right? So, code-wise, helpful yung mga like Copilot, I guess. We can talk about that another time, maybe. Ito? So, looks like good inspiration. Like, that is pretty okay design, right? So, like yung, parang alam nila yung reference to, to Game of Thrones. Kasi like, you have like, the Unburnt. Anyway, yeah, so mahirap mag-isip din ng hindi lang mahirap mag-isip ng like come up with creative na na actual images. Mahirap din mag-prompt engineering, like coming up with creative ways to create prompts, right? Pero there are ways to make this simpler, right? May mga naggumawa ng pang-generate ng prompts din. So, like, sobrang meta na. May pang-generate na nga tayo ng images using prompts. May pang-generate pa tayo ng prompts. So, example of this is this. By succinctly, text-to-image prompt generator. So, may mga examples sila dito. For example, we can click like example 4. And makikita yung example dyan. When you click it, mag-run siya ng compute. So, ano mangyayari ito? If you click one, itatry niya i-continue yung prompt. Okay? So, this is from data ng mga taong gumamit ng Midjourney. So, ano yung mga prompts na ginamit nila. Tapos, trainin yung model na to para mag-generate ng prompts given yung prompt na ibibigay natin. So, continuation siya. So, we can do that. For example 2, my name is Thomas and my main, then blank. So, if we hit that, mag-generate siya ng dugtong. That's pretty long, and I don't know what will happen if ilagay natin to dun. Pero if I would guess na mag-generate siya ng text. So this actually doesn't make sense. So let's do something more artsy, no? So, lagyan natin yung nilagay natin kanina. A Song of Ice and Fire book cover. Nilagay ko kanina na parang modifier is 3D render. Palitan natin to. Compute. Oh, don't fail me now. Okay, that's it. Siguro yung kanina wala siyang dinudugtong talaga. Nope. Siguro to aspect ratio, no? AR. 16:8. Oh, ang grabe ano. That is awesome. I don't know how this will work, pero ang rami niyang dinagdag na ano, na modifier. I'm excited to try this. Copy natin to. Tapos balik tayo kay Stable Diffusion dun sa ano, sa notebook, kay Colab. Tapos remove natin to. Paste natin yan. Tapos hit natin to. And let's wait. Like, you know, movie magic, i-fast forward ko lang to kasi this takes a while. So, medyo matagal tong isa and there will be 12 of those. So, let's wait a bit. Right. See you pag tapos na to. So, natapos na nga siya. Tingnan natin yung mga ano natin. Yung mga result natin. Alright. So, yung mga... Oh, look at this. It looks very, ano, like, real. So, tingnan natin yung, ano, prompt natin ulit. This looks very, ano parang Asian style, no? Kung titingnan natin yung, ano, titingnan natin yung prompt. Ito nga, Ukiyo-e-o. I think it's an artist. I'm not very familiar with artists. So, probably in sa may part kasi ng prompt generation, ng prompt engineering na you can specify style. So you can actually say na in the style of like Picasso or something. So pero yung specify yun dito, right? Is ArtStation, not sure what that is, but I see this a lot, parang trending on ArtStation. I'm not sure what ArtStation is. Tapos cinematic, high resolution, hyper realistic, volumetric lighting, cinematic, vivid light refractions. Hindi nyo na makikita yung sunod, pero yung sunod is photoreal. So, tinatry niyang super realistic and whatnot, right? So, these are very nice covers. I would make this into a cover. It looks pretty good. Like, right. It's like Japanese style. This one's very, parang horror Japanese na, It looks pretty good, right? So, let's actually like run it one more time. And again, I'll skip it. Actually, let's think of a different thing, right? What's a good thing to try? Parang palitan lang natin kasi I like this whole parang chain of render of modifiers, right? So, saan palitan yung start, right? Let's say a photo of, let's start with that prompt, right? No, let's not do that. Actually, if may parang not safe for work na ma-generate si tawag dito, yung Hugging Face parang version ni Stable Diffusion, niya, parang bina-blackout niya. I think even yung create nila sa na executable sa Stable Diffusion na GitHub mismo, I think na ba-blackout nila pag may NSFW na image. But anyway, let's do something like an epic something. I don't know. Nope. No. Something. An epic battle. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's take all of this. Kunin natin. I like this. Kunin natin to. Sounds interesting. May Sand and Noise and Smoke on Sakura Tree. Let's see, right? Punta natin. Oh, ang ganda ng ng prompt na yan. Epic battle of an Oriental god and Nordic god. Ice and Firestorm. Epic, dramatic, cinematic, Sand and Noise and Smoke at Sakura Tree. Sakura Tree, parang what? Hyper detail and stunning golden ratio matte painting. Okay, alright. Sige, let's run this and let's see what we get. It's bound to be like super epic. Let's see. And again, I'll skip this para makita nyo yung result na. Right, so see you again in a bit. Let's see. Yo, that's cool. Those are pretty epic, like, landscapes. Yo, that's fire. May yung weird lang, may mga hati siya. I don't know why. Aha! Baka kasi versus. So parang may dalawang environments. Kasi like versus Nordic god tapos Oriental god. Baka ganun. That is actually pretty epic. Like, i-ano mo lang to slide, I guess. Yo, that looks good. It's like Kaled. Para i-ano mo lang siya, like lagyan mo lang konting post processing, like this would be like fire. Yo, ang ganda. It was like a giant god. Yo, it's amazing. Alright, I have one last prompt na gusto kong i-try. Actually, I wanna save this. Actually, I'll just generate more. Yo, this is so good. Let me actually just create another one. I don't wanna lose this. Gawa na lang akong bagong gawa na lang akong bagong cell. And paste it there. Ayoko mawala yung prompt. Ay, screenshot ko to mamaya. Alright. Sige. Isip akong bagong prompt. Ay, may naisip ako actually. Sige. If you get the reference, you get the reference. Pero, scene of an elven of a pink-haired elven goddess floating over a temple while drawing her mystical bow. I hope hindi siya like yung drawing as in dinodraw. Like, dinodrawing. Sana like drawing na like dinodraw talaga yung bow for like hitting something. Alright. In a long dress. Wait. In a long dress. Alright, let's do this. Wow, thanks. That's let's see if may ano pa, like better prompts. Come on, man, don't disappoint me. Okay. Alright. Actually, let me keep this. That sounds fire. Pero dagdagan pa natin. Who's Craig Mullins? I have no idea. It's hirap naman. Pero at least this is helping us out, right? Arrow. Nah, I don't think so. What is magical dancing fire? But whatever. It's Studio Ghibli. No. Actually, no. Actually, yeah. From here, I guess. You can do that. Compute. Come on. Colorful colors. You know, this is how you know that AI isn't perfect. Photorealistic. You know what? I'm gonna just add my own. Dagdag ko din yung kanina. Boom. Bow and arrow of ice. Scene captures the magical qualities of the natural world. Photorealistic. Epic. Hyper. Actually, let's not do photorealistic. Hyper-realistic. Photorealistic. Should we do like... Oh yeah, that's fine. Realistic. Volumetric lighting. Actually, ano pa ba yung ibang ginamit natin kanina? Hyper-detailed. Golden ratio. Dramatic, cinematic, epic. Yun. May epic na tayo, so I don't think we need to use that. So we can just say... may epic. Okay, sige. Epic, dramatic, cinematic, volumetric lighting. Probably some 3D terms. Hyper detailed and stunning golden ratio. Let's actually just copy this. It sounds pretty damn good. Alright. that's it. That's our prompt. Ang haba. So, lagyan natin to dito. And run this. And as usual, I will wait para matapos to, and I will see you when it's done. Medyo may typo pala yung prompt ko, so inayos ko. Pero yeah, I reran it, and ito yung results natin. Hindi siya super completely realistic except for this one, right? Pero environment wise, it looks pretty good, right? Especially this one, like the lighting's pretty nice. Yung medyo yung mga faces nila medyo mangled, no? Pero that's fine as an inspiration. This is okay. Alright, so that's it for this video. So I hope may natutunan niyo paano gumawa ng para mag-auto-generate ng images gamit yung mga prompts. Now again, marami pang ibang pwedeng gawin si Stable Diffusion, for example, yung image to image, like yung drawing to and may mga gumagawa din ngayon, although di ko pa na-try yung mga prompt to video, which is actually pretty interesting din. Like, I've seen one pero I've never actually been able to try one. But yeah, so this actually looks very interesting, and yeah, again, I hope may natutunan kayo, and salamat sa panonood. See you all next time. Peace.